I have picked the windiest day I think I have ever encountered, either in the mountains or in the foothills. It is absolutely blowing a hoolie. Not that you'd really notice it. It looks quite benign. The sun is out. It's a gorgeous morning considering what the weather's been like recently. But on the exposed sections, boy is the wind strong. I've got a funny feeling though when I look at the weather app, it's probably going to say it's 10, 12 miles an hour, whatever, but it just feels like you're in a hurricane. So I'm rather glad that I'm just skirting around the hillside, kind of contouring a little bit, making my way up to the waterfall. This is really a stunningly spectacular valley. And the fact that you can see the falls at the head of the valley, it's not like a hidden gem that suddenly reveals itself to you. You can see it as you drive up the valley. You can see it approaching. As you walk along the road towards the footpath, you can see it approaching. It looks magnificent from a distance. I just can't wait to get up close. Final approach now through the woods. You can feel the anticipation building because you can see the falls through the trees. It's quite astonishing. Last few steps and then we're going to see it in its full glory. I've seen a few waterfalls in my time, but I don't know. You see so many photos and videos of Pistyll Rhaeadr Falls on Instagram, but I can honestly say in my 58 years on this planet, I've not seen a waterfall as beautiful as this. It may not be the most forceful, it may not be the biggest, it may not be the widest or the most impressive in terms of scale, but it is serene. There's no other way of putting it. I feel all these superlatives just sort of welling up inside me, waiting to be spouted out at you, but it is genuinely breathtaking. And I'm so glad that I came.